Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. So today I have a speed clean and a nighttime cleaning with me. What I'm doing is going through each room that I can. Sophia is sleeping in her room, so I can't do her room tonight. But every other room in the house, I'm going through and I'm setting my timer for 10 minutes in each room. And whatever I get done in those 10 minutes is what I get done. I was actually so shocked that I was able to basically clean my house in 10 minutes in each room. I guess maybe because the pressure, that I want to get everything done in 10 minutes gets to me, that I just try and fly through everything. But it worked and my house is now clean momentarily. So I'm going to take that. I challenge you to try that as well and let me know in the comment section below if you were able to get your rooms clean in 10 minutes. I think the reason that I did this was because, to be completely honest with you guys, I have just been on the struggle bus this last week or so, front and center, front row on that bus, riding it through crazy town. And this week has just been a mess. It's just been a mess. It's been an amazing week, but it's just been so busy and things have fallen behind, and I've just kind of put cleaning my house on the back burner. So, I'm so used to just cleaning my house every day that when I don't do it for over a week, I'm kind of I'm not even motivated to do it anymore. And so, of course, things start piling up, and then I'm even more not motivated to do it. So I thought to myself, you know what? I can do this. Even if I don't get the house clean top to bottom, I'm just going to give myself 10 minutes in each room to just pick up as much as I can. And at the end of the night, my house will be cleaner than it was when I started the day. So I'm really, really hopeful that you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know where you're watching from. So if this doesn't scream, my mind has gone bonkers, I don't know what does. Literally a bag of chips, a soda, some water, some coffee that was cold from the morning, left on my nightstand. Yeah, it's been that kind of week, guys. I'm not kidding. I've just been trying to survive. And I'm so happy that it's the weekend and that I can just relax with my family and spend some time and not have to worry about cleaning the house because the house will already be clean. So I'm just going to finish up cleaning in the bedroom and just quickly dusting down the countertops or the tops of my dresser and nightstand. And then I'm going to move on to the next room because that's how much time I had before my timer went off. To be honest, it did go off before I finished that second nightstand, but the OCD in me prohibited me from being able to walk out that room without cleaning it. So I did cheat just a little in this room. Every other room, I followed the rules though. So in the bathroom, I actually ended up doing it in less than 10 minutes because I didn't do the floors in any of the rooms, including the bathroom. I was just really trying to declutter and clean the surfaces. The surfaces were what really needed a good wipe down, especially in the bathroom. So I probably only spent about 5 minutes in here, and then I was able to move on to the next room. So I'm going to consider that a wash, with going over just a little bit in the bedroom and coming under in the bathroom. I think I still followed the rules just a little bit.
You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest. stay with me. You make me understand this place in a whole different.
Okay, so now that we're in the living room, I'm parting ways with this basket that Sophia has jumped on one too many times. It used to be a really cute little basket, kind of with a burlap appearance to it, but the frame is not that sturdy, and as she would jump on it and crawl in it, it just kind of lost all of its structure. So I tried to put up with it as long as I could, and now I am officially parting ways with that. So I actually stuffed my blankets in our entertainment center, and I think they're fine. It's totally doable, and the basket is going away. I have the tiniest load of laundry. I'm really not even sure what happened. I think what happened was that it was a full load of laundry, and both Sean and I were too lazy to fold it, so we just kept pulling our clothes from it. So that's all that's left to fold, to put away. So really quick load of laundry there, or the remnants of a load of laundry that I'm folding, and then I'm going to put that away, and then we're going to move on to unpacking the bags that we got. We did do a tiny bit of shopping. I wouldn't say like a shopping spree or anything like that, but we went and picked up a massager because I guess we're old now, and that's what we have to do to stop our backs from hurting every single day. So we picked up a massager. I'm going to say that Sean's a lot older than me in the fact that he actually went and got a car like chair cover thing for his car that I guess massages him while he's driving, and it heats his back up. And at least I didn't go that far. So I would say my back is probably in a little bit better shape than his, but we still have to, get our massager, and I am super excited to give this a try, and hopefully it will make our backs feel better. And then I'm just putting away the newspapers that we got and a little magazine that we got because the Chiefs did win the Super Bowl. We wanted to keep those and get them framed. So I've got to go put those away in a special place, and I'll get those framed at a later date. And then we just got some random things from Target. I needed a new phone charger and some other things. So I'm just putting those bags in the trash. And then it's time to move on to the kitchen.
We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
All right, guys, so we're finishing up in the kitchen. This is a great way to kind of reinvigorate yourself if you're just feeling like you're in a slump and you can't get motivated to get up and clean. Maybe try this method and just set a timer for yourself in each room. Maybe it's even 5 minutes in each room, 5-10 minutes to just get a room clean, and it kind of gets you motivated to keep going. And then by the end of it, your whole house is clean, or at least cleaner than it was when you started your day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Again, my name is Sydney. I'm so happy that you stopped by my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you get notified when I come out with new videos. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.
Why don't you help me?
I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart?